Ooh, Carlos spotted some angry fishes. Catch them! Oh no! He ate them all! Put a compress on his head. Let's prepare for an ultrasound. Check his tummy. What is this? Let's examine him with this device. Turn it on. Oh no! I see some trash in there. First, remove the fish bone. Now let's use a magnet. What's that green stuff? Oh no! Let's get rid of these germs. Suction, please. Now his tummy looks just fine. Yay! Carlo feels great again. You are the best doctor. Welcome to the animal hospital. Gary tried to save his chicks and got beaten by a fox. First, remove these plants. Great! Now brush his feather. Put some ice on his eye. Let's cure the wounds. Apply the bandage. Now give it some time to heal. Remove it. Yay! Gary feels much better. Add the missing feather. Yay! Good job! He looks perfect again. Welcome to the animal hospital. Hey there! Wow, 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 wow. I love you. Oh, Benny fell in love. Let's take him to the hospital. Poor Benny is sweating. Wipe it off. Let's listen to his heart. Catch the hearts. We have to check his blood pressure. Pump it. Yep, he's in love. What's going on in his stomach? Turn it on. Catch those butterflies. Our job is done. We know the diagnosis. Let's help Benny to get ready for a date. Daisy will love it. So cute. Nice color. Cool. Nice flowers. Thank you for your help. Welcome to the Animal Hospital. Mrs. Pigsley just got back from vacation. Chase the mosquitoes away from her. Good. Now take off her hat and sunglasses. Ooh, Mrs. Pigsley would love to take a mud bath. She loves it. Great! Now wash it off. Let's heal the mosquito bites. Apply it, please. Much better. Put the robe on. Good job! Apply a cooling face mask to treat the sunburn. And cucumbers for some freshness. Flip the clock. And wait for a few minutes. Now, remove the slices. Clean her face, please. Almost done. Yay! Good job. Welcome to the Animal Hospital. Judy's doghouse is too small. She's shivering. Poor Judy got sick. Put the scarf on. Let's check her temperature. Oops! Wipe off the snot. Take it out. Oh no! She has a fever! Let's check her nose. Oh no! Let's get rid of these germs. Use the suction. Let's take a closer. Her throat is red. Spray some medicine. Miss Judy would like some tea. Pour it, please. Now give it to her. It helped. You can take the scarf off. Can you dress up Miss Judy? she's not afraid of the rain.
Billy the donkey ate too much candy. Now he has a toothache. Poor Billy, let's help him. First, turn on the lamp. Let's take a closer look. Oh no! Let's get rid of these germs. Good job! Now it's time to remove the bad tooth and put in a new one. Great! Now take care of the others. Let's fill in the holes. Polish the teeth for a perfect look. Good job, Billy. Here's a badge for you. Help Billy to get rid of the candies. Click it. Thank you so much. Billy feels great and will eat more vegetables. Miss Violet spends too much time reading books in the dark. Let's help Miss Violet. First, wipe away the dirt. Great! Now take off the broken... Ew! Clean the pus. Good job! Now let's get ready to test Violet's vision. Click it. We need a few eye drops. Let's take a closer look. Use the laser to fix her eyes. Good job! Now place figures on the board to test Violet's vision. 3. Square. Circle. Triangle. Choose new glasses for Miss Violet.